The ban on rallies and road shows ahead of elections in 5 states, imposed last week as COVID cases spiked alarmingly, has been extended till January 22nd, the Election Commission said Saturday. Indoor political meetings, though, will be allowed subject to a cap of 300 people, 50% of the hall's capacity, or the limit set by the state's Disaster Management Authority. On January 8, the top poll body had said rallies, roadshows, and some other kinds of public political events would be banned till January 15 and that the order would then be reviewed. Moving on to the next news, Harjot Kamal, the Congress MLA from Punjab's Moga, who was said to be unhappy that his seat was given to actor Sonu Sood's sister Malvika Sood just weeks ahead of the state elections, joined the BJP on Saturday. Mr. Kamal arrived at the BJP office in Chandigarh and was seen greeting leaders there. Actor philanthropist Sonu Sood's sister Malvika Sood had joined the Congress in Moga on Monday. Asked if Malvika Sood will fight the election from the constituency, Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi had replied, "Is there anything left to say now?" indicating that she is the party's choice. Moving on to the next news. There is no more room in the Samajwadi Party for any BJP MLA minister anymore, Akhilesh Yadav's words on Saturday morning, a day after he welcomed 7 ex-lawmakers, including 2 ministers, who quit the Yogi Adityanath government this week ahead of next month's election. "Let me say this, I will not take any BJP MLA or minister anymore. The BJP can deny tickets if they wish to," Mr. Yadav told reporters in Lucknow. Mr. Yadav on Friday inducted Swami Prasad Maurya and Dharam Singh Saini, ex-ministers and key OBC leaders, as well as 5 other BJP MLAs and 1 from its ally, the Apna Dal. Moving on to the next news, the Congress has released a first list of 86 candidates for next month's Punjab Assembly election. Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi will fight from his seat of Chamkaur Sahib, while the party's state unit chief Navjot Sidhu will be fielded from Amritsar East constituency. Deputy Chief Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa has been given the Dera Baba Nanak seat ticket. The state's other Deputy Chief Minister Om Prakash Soni will fight from Amritsar Central. Former State Unit and Campaign Committee Chief Sunil Jakhar will not contest the election, but his nephew Sandeep Jakhar will contest the Abohar Assembly seat instead. Moving on to the next news, Congress MLA Dr. Irfan Ansari has landed in a controversy by promising that the roads in his constituency of Jamtada in Jharkhand will be smoother than actor Kangana Ranawat's cheeks. In a self-made video he posted on Friday, Dr. Irfan Ansari can be heard saying, "Construction of 14 world-class roads will begin soon in Jamtada. I assure you that the roads will be smoother than cheeks of film actress Kangana Ranawat." Dr. Irfan Ansari, who was in the news earlier this week when he claimed that no one should wear masks for a long time as it would be detrimental to health. Touting his credentials as an MBBS doctor, the lawmaker had stated that excessive and prolonged use of masks leads to inhalation of carbon dioxide.